Good morning, students. Welcome to English Balbharti class. Children, today we'll be doing English 1 worksheet 2.4, that is 3 regions for India. So let us start with the part 1, that is the front side of the worksheet. Students, before we all start solving the worksheet, I want you all to write your name and your division, today's date. I know the date is printed over there, but you can do the correction and you can enter today's date over there, and also your roll number. Please make sure you don't miss this information. Okay, children, let us see the back part of the worksheet. And here we have another lesson, that is 2.4, 3 visions for India. If you see, I have taken the extract from page number 40, and my paragraph start from paragraph number 1, line number 1. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the father of India's integrated guided missile program, ... till if we are not free, no one will respect us. That is the first 3 para. Okay, so let us solve this part of the worksheet. So here it is. A, simple factual question. Complete the following. If we are not free, dash. Children, I can see this line. We have to hunt the line where we can get the answer for this. Complete the following, and I can see this line is the title line of the second para on the page number 40 itself. So let us see what is given there. If we are not free, no one will respect us. So the answer is no one will respect us. I'm going to the second one. It is this freedom that we must. So let us search this line to get the further words of this question. I guess we have this sentence in paragraph number 3, line number 3, the ending 2 words. So it starts from, it is this freedom that we must protect and nurture and build on. So your answer is must protect and nurture and build on. Moving to the next, that is B1, complex factual question. What were the 3 visions of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for India? Children, we have already done this lesson, and by now I expect everyone knows this answer. Okay, but still we'll be finding the answer, and the answer is in the first paragraph, line number 9th line. Yes, which is connected to line number 8, that is Dr. Kalam's 3 visions for India are freedom, development and standing up. So that will be your answer. That is Dr. Kalam's 3 visions for India are freedom, development and standing up. Yes. Moving to the next question. Which people have captured our land and looted us? So we need to find this line in our given extract, and I could see this sentence in paragraph number 2, line number leaving the title line. We are not going to count the title line of the second para, or we'll count the actual lines of the paragraph. So it is third line. You can see, and invaded us, that is connected from the second line. People from all over the world have come and invaded us, captured our land and conquered our minds. And here the answer starts. And who were they? Which people were they? So this is your answer. From Alexander onwards, the Greeks, the Portuguese, the British, the French, the Dutch, all of them came and looted us and took over what was ours. So especially these 3 lines are is your answer. Moving to the next, that is vocabulary question. Number 1, find out the word which mean from the passage, and the given word is capacity. You have to find another word for the word capacity, and I can see the word is in paragraph number 1. From down, see the last fourth line. So you have the word potential for capacity. Yes, so potential is your answer. Number 2, that is B1, confirm with proof. Now confirm with proof, you have to hunt out one word from the passage, and again that is from paragraph number 1, third last line. You can see the word validated, which is highlighted in the bold letters, validated. So validated means confirm with proof, and that's your answer, validated. And children, one thing I want you all to make sure, that if your question is given in the past tense, even you're supposed to write your answer even in the past tense. So as confirmed is given in past tense ending with the letter ed, so we are going to write validated in past tense, that is ending with ed. So that's called balancing the tense. Yes. Going to the next one, add suffix to make a new word. Now you are expected to add suffix, and what do you mean by suffix? Suffix means you add some alphabets or some letters after the given word, or I can say base word, after. So given word is, the words are given, you can call it as given word, even you can call it as a base word, and when you add few letters or few alphabets after that given word or the base word, that will become your suffix. So let us see what a new word can we make from this word free. I'm gonna keep my word free as it is, and I'll add something at the back, that is after free, and I'm adding DOM. So my new word is freedom, which I got by adding few alphabets after my base word or given word. In the same way, let us see the second one. I have got a word develop. Yes, the develop is my given word or a base word. Here too I'm going to add few letters after that given word, and I'm adding ment, meant. So my word becomes development, that is base word plus suffix, and I get my word development. So I hope you have understood what do you mean by suffix. Moving to the grammar question. Number 1, we must protect and nurture and build on. State the part of speech of the underlined word. Underlined word is given, you just have to identify the parts of speech. So protect and nurture, both are verb, but here we are expected to write only the answer for the underlined word, and as the underlined word is nurture, so answer nurture is verb, that is a verb part of speech. Going to the next one, we have not grabbed their land, their culture and their history. Add a question tag. So same as we did on the front page for lesson number 2.2, same we are going to do here. First we'll copy the sentence, add as it is. So here I'm starting with my answer. We have not grabbed their land, their culture and their history. Then we'll be putting comma, and then we will hunt for our helping verb. Let us see, do we have helping verb? Yes, we have. The helping verb is have. Okay. Now we are going to check whether the sentence is positive or negative. I can see the sentence is negative. There is not given there. So we will convert the sentence into positive as the question was negative. So we will remove not and we'll keep have as it is. Then we'll bring the pronoun. Yes, students, we definitely have a ready-made pronoun, that is we, and we will write have we and the punctuation question mark without forgetting it. And that's the answer. We have not grabbed their land, their culture and their history. Have we? Yes. Going to the last question, that is personal response. One more time I would like to tell you, personal response is the question where you're expected to write the answer by your own. And the question is, why is freedom important? Children, what a important question it is. Someone is asking you, why is freedom important? Just imagine if we would have not got our freedom, what would be our life? Yes, and now you have You have your multiple, your views, your thoughts, that why freedom is important. Let us see what is my view on this answer. According to me, freedom is important because it is a fundamental right. We can express our opinion, we can make our own choice of religion, which religion we need to follow, even we can make our own choice of work, and etc. So in this way I can say freedom is important. You can also add on your points. So that was for the day. I have completed this worksheet. Hope you all have understood. Please make sure that you complete your worksheet on time by writing your name, standard division, roll number, and also today's date. So let meet you soon. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.